So it dawned on me that I didn't know what a variety was versus an error. And it was kind of explained to me in terms that I could understand and felt comfortable with. And I don't want this to appear condescending at all, because it's not. It's just this is how my brain needed it. And I hope it'll be helpful to you. Let's say you're printing t-shirts. I'm not going to worry about coins, but t-shirts are coins in this analogy. So you're printing t-shirts, and when a t-shirt is printed, there's a big smear. That's an error. Let's say midway through printing your t-shirts, you decide you want to change the design just a little bit. Maybe you didn't like the color of something, or you just didn't like the font. So you changed the design, you went back to printing your t-shirts. That would mean you had the first variety and the second variety. This is what coin varieties are. If you have the die, which is what is printing the coin on a planchet, it's going boom into this planchet, and it slides a little bit and you get a smear, that's an error coin. Let's say midway through your run of your coins, you change out the die and you change the font just a little bit. You didn't like the way the D mint mark happened to be coming out. Then you have the first variety and you have the second variety. So that's the difference between errors and varieties in coins, as illustrated by my t-shirt analogy. I hope that's helpful.